Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat cameos not appearing in the app. Snapchat cameos are like meme version of movie cameos that are fun and innovative. However, sometimes they don't show up, don't animate, or you cannot create them. If there any of these issues happen to you, there are something you can try. In this video, I will discuss all of this so that you can create and use cameos in Snapchat. Checking for app related issue that cause Snapchat cameos problem. Update your Snapchat app. Go to the Play Store. Search for Snapchat. Update the app. Let us wait a few seconds. It's installing. We have completed our first step. Let's go to the second step. Clear the Snapchat cache. Clearing the Snapchat cache data also clears out many problems. Open the Snapchat app. Tap on the profile icon and select settings. Find and select clear cache. Choose continue on Android devices to clean all. Clean all on iPhone and iPad. Let's go back to the profile page. From here, tap on Change Cameos Selfie. Center your face. Step 3. Uninstall Snapchat and reinstall it. If updating the app or clearing the cache don't help fix your Snapchat cameos issue, try uninstalling Snapchat and then reinstall it. You can go to the Play Store, search the app and tap on uninstall. And install it again. Here you can see we have created our cameos on Snapchat. You can use this and send it to your friends. Friends, by this way you can fix Snapchat cameos not appearing in your app. Please give a thumbs up. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.